Hello, my name is Liu Shandong, and this is a demo video for COA Lab 3. So let's begin at the 1C program 1. And as you can see on the screen, the program requires the user to input the side length for hexagon 1. Because the program 1, it need to calculate the perimeter hexagon using the loop and add instructions. So for example, we enter 2 here, and then this line, the 6 is used to set the number of time of the loop need to run, and the 0 is used to store the value. And then in the loop, we add the value in the EBX into the EAX. So you can see that the ECX here, it need to loop 6 times because it is hexagon. And then keep running, it will keep decreasing until it becomes 0, and the program keep continuing to move the value in EAX into the perimeter hexagon 1. So here we can see the value change to 12. And while the program keep continuing, it requires the user to input the second hexagon. So here, for example, we enter 3, and then it is same because it is hexagon, so the loop need to run 6 times. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then the value in EAX will be stored into perimeter hexagon 2. So here you can see the 0 become 18. And then from the question, it requires to add the perimeter of hexagon 1 to the perimeter hexagon 2. So here we do the calculation. After adding, the total perimeter become 30. 12 plus 13 become 30. And then at here message perimeter, it will show this line result of perimeter hexagon at 1 and 2. And then right decimal, because at here the perimeter hexagon 1 is moved to EAX. So while we're calling the right decimal, it will output the value stored in the hexagon 1, the perimeter hexagon 1. And then keep continuing, it will output the perimeter hexagon 2, the value inside it, and adding, yeah. So keep continuing. This is going this line, total perimeter of both hexagons. And the output will be shown here, 30. So yeah, I think that's all for the program 1. So thank you.
Hello, so my name is Gorizam. So I will be doing a demo for the program 2. So for program 2, you'll be input. So you are supposed to, the user is supposed to input 6 input integers, and the program will sum up the input for the like for even index and odd index, and display the output for it. So we run this program. So okay, so right now is prompting to input the integer input. So we'll be inputting a few inputs. So for this one, so okay, let's just put some input. So as you can see, since this the first one is technically is the even one, the index 0, and then following is index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5. So when they add up, they sum up the one that's even, which is 0, 2, and 4, you will get 33. And then for the odd one, for index 1, 3, and 5, you will get 36 here. So that's the demo for program 2. For the question 2C, we are supposed to make a menu and jump to uh, the, the type of calculation you want to do. So we run this code. So right now it's showing the menu for selection of which kind of calculation. So there's two options here, 1 and 2. But if I input other than 1 and 2, it will immediately end the program. So that's the demo for that. And so when we input for like we want to do calculation for sum, so we input 2 and we will run the program 2. So our input the integer is earlier. So we're still getting the same answer for the sum. Now, but now there's a continue from if you want to continue or not. So if you want to continue, we just press Y and it will clear the screen and then give us the menu again. So for this time I'll be running for program 1, which is to calculate by parameter. So for hexagon 1, let's put 21 and 32 for hexagon 2, and we'll calculate the parameter for hexagon 1 and 2. So and then you will see a prompt for continue. So when we don't want to continue it, we can actually we can type in n, but if you type in any other character, it will still end it. So for here we just follow and press n. So there we go, the program will end, and then that's all for the demo for that session.